channel. It's your girl, KnoKno Fury. And today I'm coming to you guys with a DIY facial video using actual professional products. I'm for real. They're real. They're real professional products. I've been wanting to do this video for such a long time, but I never could get my hands on a steamer. But I have one now, so I can do this video for you guys. I have like a ton of products, and my skin really does need some TLC. Like, my skin is so dry, so crusty, and yeah, it's a mess. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things beauty related. This is also a no judgment zone, so feel free to click that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell to let you know whenever I upload another video. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, big. Before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys, Black Lives Matter. Please, please, please check out the description box down below and click the link related to Black Lives Matter. Please sign a petition, donate what you can. We are in a really strong need right now. The Black community is hurting, and it's not over. It's not over. You know, we need these killers arrested, okay? So please do that for me. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start out with the SkinScript Green Tea Citrus Cleanser. I really like the brand SkinScript just because they're more on the organic side, but this is an esthetician brand. You cannot get this brand unless you are licensed. This specific cleanser is very gentle. It's good for all skin types. The green tea helps, you know, energize the skin, and it also helps cleanse the skin gently. It's not a stripping cleanser at all. I like using this mainly in the morning. I love this steamer. I just got this steamer, and I've been incorporating steam with a lot of my beauty regimens with my face. Now, when it comes to deep cleansing, this is my Sonic deep cleansing tool. You can get this off Amazon. I got it for like 20 bucks. What it does, it vibrates on a micro level, and the spatula literally pushes everything out of your pores. If anything from this video, I highly suggest one of these for you guys, because you see how it's getting all of my whiteheads and stuff out of my pores easily, because sometimes extractions with that little tool can hurt sometimes, but this literally gets everything out. I definitely add this to my regimen for having smoother skin. It's helped my texture, and then I add more steam. It's time to exfoliate. This is the raspberry refining exfoliator from SkinScript. It smells so good. It literally smells just like raspberries because it contains raspberries. It also has alpha hydroxy acids in it to help exfoliate the skin. This is a very gentle exfoliator. It is a physical exfoliator because it has little beads of sugar crystals in it, but it's very gentle. And then I like to add more steam. This is what my skin looks like after. Now it's time for a face mask. I didn't show it, but this is the goji berry yogurt mask by SkinScript. All these products are literally super organic, you guys, super good for the skin. I like this because it's calming. I like to use it after I exfoliate. This is the after. You guys know it's time to put some moisture back into that face. So important. This is the SkinScript Cucumber Hydrating Toner. It contains cucumber essentials as well as heavy water and hyaluronic acid to put moisture back into the skin. I love this toner. This is my good old true hydrolyzed collagen serum from TJ Maxx. I am running very low on it, so I need a new serum. I also have another serum by SkinScript, and I'll show that later. This is the St. Ives Soothing Eye Gel Pads. I put these in the fridge, and they feel so good under your eyes, like bomb. This is my little jade tool. It's made out of jade. It helps with inflammation, and it helps with lymphatic draining on your face, which helps with puffiness, wrinkles, and all that above. I just like to do it because it feels good, to be honest. This is my good old SkinScript Cactine Balancing Moisturizer. It has olive oil, aloe vera, and it also has cactus extract in it, which is really good for plumping the skin. It helps with wrinkles, and it helps with balancing the moisture barrier of your skin as well. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. This is how my skin looks after everything, you guys. I love doing DIY facials just because it makes me feel super fancy. It makes me feel like I'm catering to my skin. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay furious. Bye.